Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go ahead and cover borders on our Microsoft Word table. So in the previous video, we covered formatting, and in this one, we're going to cover borders, and our use case for today is we want to actually remove the borders here to the left of total salary, and then the one to the right of total bonus. So to do this, we just have to go ahead and highlight the borders. We'll start with the left borders first, and then in our mini editor, we're going to come over here, and we're going to click the drop down for borders. And if you don't know how to highlight these cells, you just hold left click and then just drag it over the cells that you want to highlight. And after we have those cells highlighted, again, come to your mini editor, hit the drop down arrow, come over here to borders and shading. And then once you do that, you're going to see this little diagram appear on your pop-up window. And then you have to choose what borders you want to remove. So we want to remove the left border, we want to remove the bottom border, and we want to remove this center border. And all you got to do is click on them. So once we have those removed, we can go ahead and click OK. And you can see they're gone. And if I remove our paragraph markers, I mean, at a glance, the user is going to have no idea that the cells are still there. They're just going to see, it's going to be a much cleaner look for this bottom row. It's going to look like these two cells are just kind of floating off on their own. Now we need to go ahead and remove the borders here on this bottom right border, or bottom right cell as well. So same process, we need to go ahead and highlight that cell, come over here to borders and shading. And then for this one, we just need to remove the right border and the bottom border. And then let's check it out. Okay, and now it's gone. And again, if I remove the paragraph headers, this is what it would look like for the person viewing the document. Nice. Okay, so the next thing that we could do is we can actually change the style of the border as well. So let's come over here and let's just highlight this whole top section over here. And then let's come over here to the borders. And we'll go over here to borders and shading. And now what we're going to do is we're actually going to go ahead and we're going to make changes. So we can decide, do we want the borders to be gigantic? Do we want the borders, the style of the border to be, I don't know, squiggly line? Do we want it to be this pattern design here too? So let's go ahead and select the pattern design. And then once we have everything that we're looking for here, we can go ahead and we can actually go ahead and select the borders that we want to apply it to. And you can see it's adding these borders in the preview menu here, and it's not going to look very pretty, but just wanted to show you guys this as a just to give you an idea of how you can go ahead and modify the size and the style of the borders. So once we click OK, you can see we now have these hideous borders in place, and you can either keep it looking like that, or you could always come back to it and modify the borders as needed. And same process if you want to go ahead and change it. So maybe we want to go ahead and change the size to much smaller. So you can see if we just set the size and come over here and click the borders and then click OK. Now it's much smaller and it doesn't look as crazy. So if we zoom in, you can kind of see what it looks like. And then if we come back over here, click borders and shading, this is what it looks like. And then again, you could always make it bigger or smaller. And then once you make those changes, you just click on the border that you want to apply it to, and then it'll add it to either the top, left, bottom, or right. So depending on which borders you're selecting. And that is a quick tutorial on how you can actually modify the borders on your Microsoft Word table.